Step number 8, the final step in your home buying process. It's funding the loan and closing. So we're getting really close to closing this one. So how does this work? So after you sign your loan documents, the notary or your lender will tell you how you have to wire money or bring a check to escrow. So if you're going to wire the money, the notary is going to give you the wiring instructions and tell you exactly how much money you need to wire and where. And so just to make sure, you want to follow those instructions to a T, because wires are something that cannot be reversed. That means once you send the money, it's gone. You can't get it back. So please do yourself a favor and call escrow before you wire the money, just to confirm all the little details. I just want to be 100% positive on this before you send out that money, because we want to make sure that it's safe before sending it out. So now if it's a cashier's check, the only thing that you need to do is go to the bank and ask for one and then take it to escrow, and that's it. So once the lender reviews all your documents were signed, they'll be sending their wire as well. And typically there'll be a little bit of money coming from you and a good amount coming from your lender, and that's how you end up paying the seller for the home. So what does funding mean? Well, funding is the process of wiring or releasing the money from the mortgage lender to escrow before we close the real estate transaction. So normally this happens a day or two before closing, and you can't close until that happens. There have been times that I've seen the loan fund on the same day that the loan documents are signed, but it's not typical, because it's more common that the loan is going to fund the next business day or two after your loan docs are signed. Now, once all of the funds are received by escrow, that means your monies and the lender's monies, what they'll do is they'll have the title company go to the county recorder's office to record a grant deed. Now, this is the official document, which at this point is signed, sealed, and delivered. And all it needs is the county's official stamp. And that's it. Now you're on record. This is called recording. And at that point, you officially close on your home, and it's now legally yours. Then escrow will contact us, and we'll contact you to give you confirmation that it's recorded. So this is when we can give you the keys. But I want to set a realistic expectation on this one, okay? Just because the loan funds at noon, we don't get you the keys at noon. More often than not, we're going to get the confirmation that the deed is stamped and recorded, usually after business hours. Sometimes we get it even between 5 and 7 p.m. So it really depends on the day of the week, what time of the month it is, if it's at the end of the month on a Friday. I just want to set that expectation for you guys. So once we get that, though, that's when we can turn over the keys to you. So your agent will be setting up a time with you to get together and turn over the keys so you and your family can celebrate your brand new home. So congratulations. Welcome to your new home.